Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process on how to claim your Paws token. As you know, the Paws claim button is now live and you can go ahead and claim your Paws tokens into your exchanges. But before we go into that, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel or if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, let's quickly go into it. First of all, you just have to access the paws.community website on any browser of your choice. It can be Chrome, it can be Mrs. browser, it can be your Phantom wallet. So if you look right here, I'm in my Phantom wallet, and all you have to do is make sure that let me just go back. So all you have to do is make sure that you come over to this search button and you search for paws.community, then you click on it. So once you click on it, just wait for it to load up. So guys, it is going to load up like this, and if you have participated in the OG in the Solana OG right here, so you can just connect your wallet and check whether you got any allocation. That is one of the first things you should do, but this account is not qualified for that. That is why you see that check eligibility. If I check my eligibility right now, you see that I don't have anything, so I don't have to worry about that. So if you have checked yours and you discover that you are not qualified, you are not eligible, so if you see something like no Paws to claim, it does not mean that you don't have any Paws. If you participated in the Paws Telegram mini app and you were qualified, you got the allocation, then you have to move over to this button right here now. So you have to click on it. So once you click on it, you have to scroll up and then you come over to next, click on the next. So in the next button right here, all you have to do is click on the claim button right here. So once you click on the claim button, you see terms and conditions. So you have to agree to the terms and conditions by simply clicking on I have read and accepted the Paws token airdrop. So you click on that, then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, it is going to open up on this page like this, and then you can see claim Paws and then withdrawal options. You can see centralized exchanges and the on-chain withdrawal. Now let me just tell you, you can see something like 3% withdrawal fee. Now what is happening right here? So if you click on the withdrawal options right here, you'll see that the two options we have right now are Bybit and the Bitget, the Bybit and the Bitget exchange. I mentioned this in my last video about Paws. Yes, is it either yesterday or this morning? And then there is a 3% gas fee. What does that 3% mean? It simply means that if your Paws is 10,000 tokens, let's say you have 10,000 tokens, you have to calculate 3% of that 10,000, so which is 3 divided by 100, and then you now multiply it by the 10,000 tokens that you have. So it means that you will have a 300 Paws fee that you are going to pay. So you have calculated that 3% of 10,000 is 300, so you have to take 10,000, which is your total Paws tokens, and then minus it by 300. So it means that you are going to get 9,700 into your exchange. So that is what you are going to get. Now why are these deductions? I have mentioned it in one of my videos that Paws did not meet the criteria to list on Binance. Now I'm not saying that this is not an official announcement. It is just my simple speculations that probably the amount of, because there was an announcement yesterday by one of the Paws team which says that Paws did not meet up the criteria that Binance placed before them, and that was in terms of the liquidity. Maybe Paws is trying to gather up something to be able to meet the criteria of the Binance exchange, because I see that they are really pushing to list on the Binance exchange. Maybe that is why they have decided to deduct a 3% fee from our allocation. But if that be the case, then whatever it is, congratulations. Let's hope that something positive will come out of it. But if that is not the case, still well, I don't know what to say. It will be painful that you are losing about 300 tokens, but at the same time, well, let's just continue. So now all you have to do is click on the exchange you want to use. I told you I'm going to be using my Bybit for that, so I'll just click on Bybit. You are going to come over to this page where they will ask you, do you have a Bybit account? So you see you will need your UID and Paws address to receive tokens on Bybit. So you have to click on yes. So I'm clicking on yes because I have an account with Bybit and it is verified. So I'm going to go and copy my UID and copy the address. So we are just going to go ahead and head over to our exchange, which is the Bybit exchange. So once I click on it like this, I will just wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, the first thing you have to do is come over to assets right here, and then you are just going to go ahead, click on deposit right here. On deposit, you are choosing deposit crypto, and on right here in this page you just have to go ahead and search for Paws right here, and you can see this is it right here. So you just have to click on that, and then just come down, choose Solana, because it will launch on the Solana blockchain. So you just have to come over here and then click on copy. So once you click on copy, you head back to your page right here, and then paste your address. So I've pasted my address, so I will be heading back to the Bybit again to copy my UID. So how do you access UID? You just have to come over to the home page right here, and then click on this logo right here, and then you are going to see your UID right here. So just click on this square right here, and then it has copied. So you just have to go back and then paste it right here. So you paste it. So I have copied the two things that they asked me. It is the address. So once you have copied the two things, the address and your UID, and you are sure of it, you just have to come over to click on continue. Then once you click on continue, you can see claim Paws, check your data. So they are asking you to verify, to check your data to be sure that everything is okay. You know, the same address, this Paws address is the same as that of this Solana, the Solana. So if you click Solana right here, you will discover that it will be the same wallet address. So if you check this very well, you will discover that it is the same wallet address. Why? Because Paws is launching on the Solana blockchain. So it is on the Solana blockchain. So once you are sure of everything, you just have to come down here, click on continue. So once you click on the continue, you can just see claim Paws. You see, final step, you want to deposit this. So this is what I want to deposit. So I will just click on confirm, and once I click on confirm, you will see that you will receive your tokens in your Bybit before trading starts. So before trading starts, we are going to receive. So I'm done. So has been selected, Bybit has been selected. So I'll just click on finish. So I've successfully withdraw my tokens to Bybit, and you can see you have the option to actually change your withdrawal address, but it's not necessary for you to change it again. So guys, that is how you can successfully claim your Paws tokens to your exchange. Make sure that you go ahead, claim yours in time, and then be ready for the trading on the 18th of this month. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you so much, and please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell, so that I will be updating you with every single piece of information that you need to know, not just about Paws, but about every other airdrop. So guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video.